We have a fantastic pack of screwdrivers from Stanley. Stanley Tools, one of the biggest brands in the marketplace, been making screwdrivers for many, many years. This is a super pack. 12 full-size screwdrivers, 6 instrument screwdrivers, making a full pack of 18. Taking a look at the screwdrivers, really nicely made. So you've got a hard and a soft plastic 2-component handle, moulded as well to fit in the hand really nicely. So you get a nice bit of torque on there. Really nice and comfortable as it sits in your hand. All the screwdrivers come with that feature. Identification, so obviously if you put them in a rack, or if you wanted to select them very quickly, you can easily identify what the tip is. Full range of tips included into the pack, so you've got Phillips, Posies, slotted, and obviously instrument with some really small screwdriver tips on there for some of the electrical items for opening battery packs and things like that we get nowadays. Black oxidized tips, obviously to help protect the product, and obviously easily identifying it makes it slightly easy to see the product in your toolbox. Chrome vanadium blade goes all the way through the handle as well, so it's not just popped in the handle, the blade goes all the way through the handle, which it shows you on the packaging as well. So as you can see from the pack, we have a whole host of different tips: Posi, Phillips and slotted. And then obviously we have 6 really useful instrument screwdrivers. There's some Phillips treble-O's in there as well, which are really tiny. Nice thing with the instrument screwdriver, nice little tip on there. This end stays so you can actually spin that. So basically if you are doing any precision work, you can spin the screwdriver very finely and still have nice pressure on the product that you're undoing, which is a super little feature on an instrument screwdriver. Really useful for the kitchen drawer they are as well. You've got a full pack here, every screwdriver you could need, great for your toolbox, really nice quality from Stanley, 18 pieces. What more do you need?